Hello, class. Yes, okay, sit down. How are you this time? Okay.
Nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hano Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.
Now, we are going to study English this time, and I think you remember what we studied the last time. Yes, who can remind me what we studied the last time? Yes? We studied everything concerning shopping. Yes? What did we study in shopping? What did we study in shopping? Aha, you forgot it? Yes, Mena? Yes, things that you can buy from the market. That is good. Okay, now, I'm going to show you some things here, and you're going to tell me what are they. Yes? Yes. Like for example, who can tell me what is this? This is camera? Aha. Now who can tell me what am I doing? Yes, the teacher is sitting. The teacher is sitting where? On the chair. Huh? Now, who can tell me what is this?
Teacher.
What is this?
Teacher.
It is a box? Uh-huh. And now who can tell me where is the box?
Teacher.
Who can tell me where is the box? Yes, Max.
Is under
The box is where?
the box is under the table.
Is it?
Under the table.
Yes, under
The table.
the table. Uh-huh. The box is under the table. Now, as we are the classroom of P3. Now this time everybody is busy studying, yes? Now who can tell me where this time students are? Learners are where in this time? Yes, my friend Kenny. The learners are acting. The learners are at school. Now, so many people here, they come at school in different ways, or we using different means of transport. Now, I'm going to ask each and every one of you the mean of transport that you use. You come to school? Aha! This manzi comes at school by bus. And another one? Come by foot. That is how we say. By motorcycle.
And come with his feet. Come by feet.
Yes, so many people come with different types of transport. Okay, now, after seeing those underlined words here, I can say, also I can say, I live in which city? I live in... Yes, I live in... Kigali City. Now, here. This is a what? And this is a book? Now, who can tell me where is the pen? Where is the pen this time? Yes, Fahadi? The pen is in there. The pen is in the box. The pen is now in the box. And now, after seeing those words in colors, on, under, at, e, and a, there, those words, look at me what are there. What are those words that are in colors? What are those words that are in colors, people? Yes, thanks.
They are prepositions.
They are prepositions. Okay, they are prepositions. Yes, they are prepositions. Now, prepositions are words that show us where something is located, or when something is going to happen, or what something is used for, or where something is located. Like, for example, those ones. Yes? Who can tell me what kind of prepositions are those ones according to their meaning in the sentence? According to what they are meaning in that sentence, who can tell me now what are the types of those prepositions? Because we have seen some types of prepositions, and now we are going to study a new type of prepositions.
Those types of prepositions. They mean that first sentence. It's really repeats which are happening now.
Yes, those kind of preposition, this one on, under, at, in, and in, those are prepositions of places. Yes? They are preposition of places. Preposition of place. Yes, preposition of place. Preposition. This is unity. Preposition of place. Now, preposition of place. Preposition of place. They are prepositions. They are prepositions that show us where something is located. Thank you so much. Let us underline this where. They are kind of preposition which show us where something is located. We are going to repeat that sentence. They are the kind of preposition that show us where something is located. Can we repeat that? They are prepositions that show us where something is located. Like, for example, I can draw this table here. Quick one. And maybe ball is here. Then I can ask you this question, for example, here. I can ask you, like, where is the ball? According to that drawing, I can ask you, where is the ball? There. Who can go there and answer that question? Yes, Lucky. And you read loudly. The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Now we are going to go in our groups. Quickly. In our groups. We're going to go in our groups. And now. Quickly. And. Yes, exercise. Now the following. Hey, my friend, what is happening there? Yes, are you in the groups? Okay, draw the following. The first one you are going to draw. It's in your groups. You are going to draw, and you will come here to present it and show us what is that. A cat is on the chair. The chalk is in the box. And another one is the book is on the table. Yes, you draw the following. Quick one. Quickly. Yes, draw the following quickly. Yes. Yes, quickly.
Yes.
On the table. Wow, just disturbing. Best is easy. Yes, fast.
Get your pens.
Finished. Yes. Shut the box. The book is on the table. Yes. Finished. Yes. Another group to finish.
Yes, we are going to do this. No problem. This one.
Okay, who can come and draw the first? Who can come and draw the first? Yes, quickly. Theta. Yes, show us a cat on the chair. A cat on the chair. And that is a chair. Can you please draw it? And that is a cat. Thank you so much. And now the second one. The second one, yes, desire. No, it's the same group. No. Yes, Fahadi, come the second. Yes. The chalk in the box. Other silence. The chalk in the box. You can draw it here. Use the colored book, so. Yes, the third one.
Teacher, also my but I can't
Ah, that is the box of chalk. Okay, yes. Can we clap for Fahad? Yes, thank you, gift. Yes, book on the table. Yes, others you can go back to your places, no problem. And not shout. Yes, gift. Yes, very nice. Okay, now in our places. Yes, in our places, quickly. Okay, now, who can tell me now where is the chalk? The chalk is in? And now the chalk is in the chalk is in? And the box is in on? And where is the teacher now? And now where is the box? The box is in? And now where is the teacher? And now, where is the teacher now? And where is the teacher now? He is in the class? And where is the teacher? Aha! Now you understand what is preposition of place?
Yes.
Do you understand now the preposition of place?
Yes.
They are the preposition that show us where something is located.
Yes.
Okay, you can clap for yourself. Yes, see you tomorrow. Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher.